Hello viewers. According to data from IRDAI, premiums paid for motor insurance in India increased from rupees 81,280 crores in financial year 23 to over rupees 91,781 crores in financial year 24. Yani almost 13% jump एक साल में. So clearly, more and more of us want to financially secure our vehicles. But what exactly are we paying for? Let's try and understand motor insurance better.
Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to be notified of new videos. For more such videos, click on the link in the description.
First things first, motor insurance क्या होता है? Well, think of it as a safety net for you and your vehicle. Some things जो comprehensive motor insurance usually cover करता है include any loss or damage to your vehicle and damage caused to other parties involved. ये coverage vary कर सकती है with the type of motor insurance policy chosen. So, let's look at the type of motor insurance. पहले बात करते हैं third party insurance की. If you have met with an unforeseen incident which led to some damage or injury to someone else or their vehicle or property, उसे third party कहा जाता है. ऐसी situation में आपकी legal liability cover हो सकती है under third party insurance. This is mandatory under the Motor Vehicles Act of 1988. लेकिन आपकी गाड़ी की coverage का क्या? For that, there is something called own damage insurance. As the name suggests, ये आपको अपनी व्हीकल के डैमेज या लॉस के लिए कवर करता है in case of accidents, theft, natural calamities, etc. Lastly, we have comprehensive insurance, which is an all-rounder. Why? Third party liabilities and own damage दोनों policies के features आपको इस insurance में मिल जाएंगे. इंडिया में एक और relatively new motor insurance option मिल रहा है since 2022, known as Pay As You Go or Pay As You Drive insurance. Here, you need to inform your insurer of your expected mileage and select an estimated kilometer range. इसके बेसिस पर आपका प्रीमियम कैलकुलेट किया जाएगा. लेकिन मोटर इंश्योरेंस से आपके व्हीकल को कितनी कवरेज मिलेगी? Remember that you cannot choose this amount. For own damage or comprehensive policies, ये insured declared value या IDV के थ्रू डिटरमिन होती है. IDV is essentially the maximum sum insured for your vehicle as per its market value. Hence, this is the maximum amount जो आपको reimburse किया जा सकता है if your vehicle is stolen or damaged beyond repair. IDV can be determined by your vehicle's age, make and model, cubic capacity, place of registration, etc. Naturally, higher IDV के साथ आपकी coverage भी बढ़ती है and so does your premium. Premium? ये वो amount है जो आपको अपनी vehicle को insure करने के लिए pay करना होगा. For third-party insurance policies, this value is determined by the engine capacity of the insured vehicle. ये rates IRDAI set करती है. Currently for cars, these rates are rupees 2,094 for engines with a capacity of less than 1,000 cc, rupees 3,416 for engines between 1,000 and 1,500 cc. Finally, for cars over 1,500 cc, it is rupees 7,897. Similarly, for two-wheelers, the rates are rupees 538 for an engine capacity of up to 75 cc, rupees 714 for engines between 75 and 150 cc, rupees 1,366 for two-wheelers of 151 to 350 cc, and rupees 2,804 for bikes over 350 cc. Well, now that we have covered the basics of motor insurance, let's find out how to get it. इसके लिए आपके पास दो options हैं. First, you can opt for offline methods, जैसे किसी insurance office, agent या dealership को approach करना. Alternatively, you can apply for motor insurance online through a fast and easy process. Simply head to the website of financial marketplaces like Bajaj Markets and fill out a form with your vehicle's number, type, make and model, etc. Quotes compare करें और वो policy choose करें जो आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा suitable हो. Fill out all your personal details and other vehicle details as asked for. Pay the premium online and voila, your vehicle is insured. By the way, when applying for motor insurance, third-party coverage lena is not the only mandatory requirement. According to the India Motor Tariff 2002, it is compulsory to have a personal accident cover as part of your motor insurance policy. IRDAI के हिसाब से इसमें आपको rupees 15 लाख तक का sum assured मिल सकता है for a premium of rupees 750. Apart from this, और भी optional add-on covers होते हैं जो आप अपनी गाड़ी को extra protection देने के लिए चुन सकते हैं. These include zero depreciation, return to invoice, engine protection, and more. But remember, your premium will also increase with each add-on cover you choose with your policy. We will discuss more about them in our upcoming videos. So, stay tuned to Academy to know more about motor insurance. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.